Here is the starfish-shaped teething toy that we got from my puppy that I'm bringing home next week. I just want to show you some of the features. You see that the bristles, they do have, they're almost like molar shaped. So it's going to get in there and massage the gums. The tentacles also have this little, these little spiny massaging pieces right here to get down in the teeth. I see this working really great. It's really soft, rubbery. Well, it's not really soft, but it is a rubbery, soft, massaging material. It does have a squeaker in it, so this is what it sounds like. So it is going to attract the dog to get it to play with it or to use it. So I hope this works out well and saves my furniture from puppy chews.